Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete undeletable files or folder in simple 2 steps. And the first step, I'm going to use CMD. For that, you have to first select the files, click on the right mouse button and simply click on copy as path. Now simply click on the start icon, simply type as CMD and run as administrator. It will going to open the CMD prompt. And now simply type rmdir space /s/q and space, simply paste the copy file path and then simply click enter. And then you can see your file is rightly deleted. After the second step, we're going to use PowerShell. For that, we have to click on this folder, click on the right mouse button, simply copy as path and simply open the start icon. Now find PowerShell and run as administrator. After that, we're going to type here remove -item space -recurse space -force space, simply paste the folder path and simply click enter. It will going to delete your folder like this. So these are these two ways you can simply delete undeletable files and folder. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.